Going on, guys? So a little special little sneak peek here. A little update. Not gonna be a grow room update. We got everything's doing good though. Fucking pretty sure it's a male. It'll probably be gone for the next episode. Tomorrow, that's getting rebuilt. We're gonna have some autos in there. Flower with the Mars Hydro TS600. So that's going to be going in there. That'll be another update for tomorrow, maybe the day after, probably tomorrow. But today, it's going to be the start. Once a week, we're going to check on this bin. This is a newer bin. So as you can see, we got a bunch of wormies all over. We got them everywhere in here. They're in that side. We got a whole ton of load on this side with the old worm castings, as you can see. So that'll help build up the life in this pot. So my plan and idea is, how long will it take for that pot to munch down this watermelon? How long do we think? So there's some of the insides. How long do we think it'll take to eat this whole watermelon? So we're looking at probably some weekly update on that. How long till that is gone? We're gonna fully cover that carbon. How long do you guys think? Leave a comment below how long you think this worm bin will take to munch a whole outside watermelon. So there we go. Just like I said, small one. This will be live. Come on over to Weed Cache and Hive, man. Got some new people coming over. Would love to see some more. Leave a comment below, and with your Weed Cache name, and earn yourself 25 Weed Cache. Not much, just a small amount, but hey, it'll kickstart your stake. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and follow for the rest of the watermelon munch. That's what we'll call this, the watermelon munch. How long for this pot to eat the watermelon in the watermelon munch? So make sure you like, subscribe, head over to Hive, head over to 3Speak, head over to Weed Cache. Peace.